Welcome to Mr. Saxon. Today we continue with the video about iOS versus Android. I was forced during 1 week while I was repairing my Android phone to use iOS. Precise, the phone is recording right now that thing, iPhone 13 Max. So the point is that I was using that phone and I'm using it right now for recording videos. So far we're going to talk about cameras. And I need to say that the cameras for video of the iPhone are insane. Insane. I picked in that one, the 13 Pro, because it's the first one that start using ProRes and start using a super insane recording video. So 13 Pro, 14 Pro, 15 Pro, 16 Pro, 17 Pro is the top of video. So the best one right now, the 13 Pro, can get better than any other Android phone you can have. Video. But we're talking about just video. Video is insane. How the color, the grade, everything. And recording in ProRes when you have a MacBook, for example, is insane because the chips of the M with the ProRes is just fucking flying. That's insane. But I'm going to talk about also cameras. Imprecise with the cameras for making pictures of that phone. That phone has 3 cameras, the triple camera. The first one is just a regular X1, then you have the X3, and then we have the wide angle. The point is, all the pictures, when you make it without making no zoom, just make the pictures, it's fine, it's looking great. In the moment you make a bit of zoom, it's horrible. It's pixeling, it's horrible, super noisy, super bad. So if you wanna print that pictures, I'm so sorry, are not worth it, are worth in shit. I came from the Pixel 8 and comparing with the top of the pictures on Android, that is Pixel, versus the top of the picture of iPhone. And I will say that the Pixel 8 Pro is making far superior pictures, I was doing exactly the same picture in both things, and one was completely blurry, the other was sharp and fine. So in that case, it's a bit of cameras. I will say you can have both. Android and iOS is perfectly fine for making your own pictures. I would recommend if you really want to make pictures of you and you don't have other camera, 100% go with a Pixel. I would recommend Pixel 9 or Pixel 8 Pro up. So 8 Pro, 9 Pro, 10 Pro, perfection. The base ones also have good cameras. They don't have the zoom camera, but the other cameras are exactly the same as the Pros. So if you want to save money and you don't care to have zoom, perfectly fine. But for video, iOS is superior. So it's insane what they can do with that thing. It's completely insane. I don't understand, but they're doing magic with that thing. And in that case, I will say video, iOS, iPhone. Cameras is a tie, more in the way of Android, I will say, because somehow the pixels are insane what they're doing with that. And remember,
Welcome to Mr. Saxon.
ciao.